Hello everybody, my name is Luke Mar and this is HauteLeMode, and today on HauteLeMode we are going to be reacting to some crazy fashion hacks. Just what you've always wanted on this sassy, bitchy, analytical fashion channel. So yeah, if you guys don't know, there are these like super weird, like quirky, like highly saturated, peppy music videos that essentially like teach you how to craft using clothes and stuff. And so some of those videos get a lot of views, like millions of views. And so I thought, A, need to pay the rent. B, it'd be interesting just to like see what they do and what they talk about, whether it's very like cutting and sewing and tailoring, or if it's like turn your t-shirt inside out. Like, it could be either or. I really don't know. So I thought we should investigate just a little bit, go down the rabbit hole of crazy fashion hacks. So before we get any further into the video, if you guys are looking for a channel that talks about fashion in the most fun, sassy, bitchy, analytical way, this is it. You can go down below, hit the subscribe button, and turn on my post notifications. I mean, like, what do you have to lose? You're already here. And if you guys want to see more from me, you can follow me on Instagram at HauteLeMode. I post some pretty poppin' fashion memes. My Instagram stories are always pretty lit. And if you want to see even more from me, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at HauteLeMess. I post more of my personal opinions and looks. So enjoy. So as I said, let's get into this crazy wild world of DIY fashion hacks, DFH community. Let's investigate all the world. So let's Googly. Let's do a little bit of YouTube Googles. So I'm gonna scooch over so we can all watch and enjoy. Okay, so should we watch Oops, Fix It, 11 fun DIY clothes and fashion hacks, or 36 fashion hacks to upgrade your wardrobe? This one looks like it has a period stain on it, so I feel like that's fun. Let's try it. And let it begin. Crafty Panda. Okay, the girls are drinking mimosas. There's like a whole storyline here. Okay, so she's gonna go to the bathroom. Oh no. What's happened? Oh, she leaked. I don't know, maybe she didn't leak. I don't know. Okay, that was like presumptive of me. Yeah, girl, move that. I am this woman. Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna keep drinking my mimosa. Sorry that you got some shit on your butt, okay? But I'm gonna keep drinking. I like her. I would be her. All right, so she has the scarf. Is this like in the bathroom? This bathroom is bright marigold. Okay. All right, so she's turning this scarf into a sarong. Oh, she's twisting it out. Oh, okay. That is fucking atrocious. Do not ever put a gigantic X over your vagina in swath fabric. I would say, oh my God, you look awful, drinks mimosa. Shh, don't tell anybody. Okay, what's up next? Now we're swinging on the swing set. Oh, hey, we've been swinging next to each other for forever. Let's say hi randomly. She jumped off. Oh no, she got her shirt caught in the swing set. Okay. Who comes up with these ideas? Who is like doing this? Who is writing this? Obviously not somebody that works in fashion. Okay. All right, so we're cutting the shirt up because we have, oh, forget the sleeves. They're done. Now it's a crop top. All right, what's gonna, oh, she's cutting jagged edges for some reason. Why? No, absolutely not. That's vile. I would rip that off of her. Rip it right off. Can it just be a regular crop top? Do you have to try to be special with that mess? Okay, all right. Now we have scientist over here. Oh no. Okay, why are we cleaning up for the scientists? Oh no, I didn't realize that I got stuff all over me. Like, spatial awareness, bitch. Okay. This one seems promising, but I'm not sure. Glow in the dark fabric paint. I take back everything that I've just said. Everything. Are they okay? Like, can't you just do a bunch of circles? But you have to try to be different. No, I like the moons, I guess, but like glow in the dark's too far. I'm good. I don't need that. Thank you though. Have a good one. All right, roasted peanuts. Ew, that's disgusting. Yeah, I'm that bitch. Ew. Okay, she has them all over her. Where is this going? Oh, she's painting. Make it your nails. No, okay. I don't know what that is. Like, can you guys just not leave anything alone? Like, put it in the compost. You don't have to put it anywhere else. Just put it in the compost. You don't have to make a bag out of it or a necklace or, you know, a ring. Put the cashew shells or, you know, almond shells or whatever the fuck, the pistachio shells in the compost. It's not that hard. That is disgusting. Ew. Ew. Imagine you're at an event and somebody's like, oh my god, I love your necklace. It's so gorgeous. What is it made out of? Oh, my old pistachios I ate. What? I wouldn't be touching. Ew! I'd smash those. This is the same girl that was like disgusted that she had them all over her chest like a gigantic necklace. Okay. Alright, putting on jeans. Oh no, her jeans fell off. Her jeans weren't too big 2 seconds ago, and now they are. Oh, we're chopping things up, aren't we, just? Turn inside out. So. I don't know what's happening here. Oh, it's a bag. Is it a bag? Oh, it's a pouch. A denim pouch. A denim pocket? I don't know. I don't know where this is going. Crafty Panda has me on the edge of my couch. Is it a bucket bag? No, it's a satchel. I wonder if Virgil Abloh watches these videos. This seems very him. Also, I just saw Pull & Bear. So I feel like Pull & Bear, I believe, is like a fast fashion company. So like, they're not even recycling the clothes that they're using. They're not vintage. They're not like from a secondhand store. Oh, so she's making a denim choker because she thinks she's that bitch. Well, let me tell you, honey. No, that is not the answer. Oh, it's a lunch bag. That is awful. That is truly awful. If I saw a girl wearing a denim choker like that, I would strangle her with it. Bye. Or boy, whoever. Don't wear denim chokers unless they're like very thin and made out of beautiful quality denim. If Rihanna made like a Fenty denim choker out of like beautiful quality Japanese denim, that's a different story. But like your Pull & Bear gigantic, humongous, gigantic choker, we're good. Thank you. All right, what's happening next now? All right, she's eating. She's drinking. She's getting a text message. They really like do have storylines. Oh, she has no clothes. Who is this person that's coming though? Like, do you have to look good for them? Not necessarily. Not in my own house. I don't have to look good for anybody. Oh yeah, eat the bonbon. Me. I respect it. You're not gonna turn a UCLA long sleeve t-shirt into a dress. Oh god, what is happening? Why? Oh, okay. They said they'll be there in 5 minutes, yet you have time to braid strips of fabric like it's nobody's business. Why? Okay, this is far too complicated. I could never. Ew, that looks disgusting. What is happening here? Oh, so we're not even done yet. So this, I really need to know how she is able to do this in 5 minutes. Like, how are you able to do this in 5 minutes? I don't understand. I can't braid anything in less than an hour, let alone a t-shirt strip in 5 minutes. I'd be like knocking on the door. Hi, I'm here. Let me in. I can see that you're fucking braiding t-shirt straps, you psychopath. Just let me in. I don't care what you're wearing. Oh my god, this is highly complicated for no reason. There is no good reason that you would ever wear that shirt, dress, whatever she's trying to turn this into. No, God, no. Absolutely not. That is vile. No. Okay, there's a jogging experience. Oh my God, hey, I'm wearing Louisiana tea. Oh no, what's happened? Oh, she's sweating. Okay, she has a natural bodily function while jogging, and you think it's gross that she's sweating. All right, okay, men. I don't know how a fashion hack is gonna solve her sweat glands. You know, like the sweat's still gonna go somewhere. Okay, so like now she's just gonna be dripping sweat out of her armpit. Like I don't understand how this is fixing anything. Oh, now that she's not sweating while jogging, it's fine. Okay, and so now they're going to some fancy event, and this man happens to be looking at camera film, the negatives of camera film, and his girlfriend is like, oh yes, let me concoct this into something that I could definitely use. I don't know. Like, I respect it. Like, I respect the, you know, the craftiness of it, but like, no. Okay, now there's a reuse old bow tie strap. Okay. Because I also just happen to have that lying around my house. Naturally, as you would. Jesus Christ. Who comes up with these hacks? That looks awful. I'd be like, what are you wearing, a dog collar? What's your name, Fido? Nice to meet you, Fido. I love your bow tie. Oh, he's wearing Converse to this event. God forbid. Oh, that's disgusting. I'd rather die. It's over, thank God. Okay, great. That was awful. So that was my video on DIY crafting using fashion and textiles. I don't know how I feel. I mean, I do. That was awful. I never want to do that ever again. But like, if you guys enjoyed, please let me know. I'd have fun doing more of these, like reacting to them. Like, they're stupid. It's fun. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if you love this video idea, if you think it's really amazing, if you want me to make it a series. I'd love to hear all of your comments, concerns, critiques, you know, all of those things. So I will see you guys in the next video, and TTYL.